Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to fix Telegram files not downloading problem. Maybe your Telegram files are no longer downloading on Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to fix that problem. If it's your first time of you coming across the channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to log into your Telegram and click on the profile at the bottom of your screen here, as you can see. Click on the profile. All you need to do here now is to click on settings. You can see that on the bottom as well. Then scroll down gently. Scroll down till you get to data and storage. Okay, you can see that here. Click on it. Then make sure you turn all this on. If it is off in your own Telegram, you can go ahead and turn it on. Okay. Then the next step you need to take is to click on the storage usage here. Click on that and clear the cache. Clear cache. So once you're done doing that, the next step you need to take is to go back and go to Play Store and update your Telegram. Okay. If your Telegram is up to date, you can go ahead and search for Telegram if you are using Play Store or App Store and update your Telegram. After doing that, all you need to do next is to check if your network status is okay. Check your network if it is okay, and then you have to restart your phone. Okay, have to restart. So guys, after doing that, I'm sure that your problem will be fixed. If you found this helpful, because I've contributed under the video, please do it to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section if you still want to know anything concerning Telegram, or if you are still having any problem on Telegram. I won't hesitate to give you feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.